please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
85% of oil we import. First oil was produced in Assam, in Dibrugarh. We are sitting with a plateau of oil. You see the copper, 100% copper we import, 100% fertilizer we import, anything, everything. We are importing $500 billion. And it's going to be in a couple of years, $1 trillion. So whatever you earn, and these, to make this product, somewhere job being created outside India. Why? It has to be created geographically, geologically. We have the better geology. So I've been saying we are the only resource company in India. We need 50 companies like us. Commercial mining business, to become a contractor to do the mining, I don't know whether that is the right approach. It's better to give the mining to the people, keep it simple. One thing the government should not look at how much to squeeze the other side. They have to look at the governance. They're getting they have to keep something on the table for others. That one thing is very important. It's better that people make money in India. More the people will make money in India, more they will invest. Less if people start crying not making money in India, people will not invest. As long as governance is followed.
All right, so from one big exclusive to another, then James Quincey, the head honcho of the multinational beverage corporation Coca-Cola, tells CNBC-TV 18 that they aim to invest about $5 billion in India by 2020. Adds that he sees business momentum improving in India.
We've been clear that the things like the GST, the policies like GST, demonetization, some of the regulation improvements are great for the long-term healthy economy. We're very positive on them. Of course, implementation always has some adaptation. That's been done, and the business is bouncing back, and we're very positive on the future. We think it's going to lead to greater growth. I don't think we're imagining it's going to be a straight line growth in India. I mean, we had very strong growth for a number of years. Yes, we've had a number of quarters. You know, adapting to the demonetization was a disruption, and you know, people adapting to GST was. But I think getting back to double digits, whether it's 9 or 11, ultimately what's important is that we're investing, building the capabilities, building the infrastructure to see long-term growth. I think we're well on track with the $5 billion, and we'll see that program through to 2020. We're going to do a lot experimentation. We're going to try many more things. We've been trying more things on the juice-based drinks. We're trying things in water. We're trying in water with some extra things added. We've made some small forays in dairy. So we will bring in global ideas that have been successful around the world. We will innovate and create new local ideas. We will experiment. I'm confident it'll get there. I think it's a fabulous brand. It has great resonance with the Indian consumers, and I'm sure it'll get there one day. When that day is, we could debate. I'm sure the local operators would try and add a few years just to be sure, but I think it will get there. The business momentum is returning, and I think that the momentum will move forward, and we will continue to invest, not, as you say, not just in the brands, but in the manufacturing, in the distribution. Of course, we will continue to try and make it the most efficient manufacturing possible, but we'll have to invest in new capabilities as well.
And catch this entire conversation on CNBC-TV 18 at 7:30 this evening. All right, and still more exclusives coming your way. SEBI's game-changing rule that companies have to disclose immediately if they have defaulted on loans comes into effect from the 1st of October. Lata Venkatesh caught up with S. Raman, the whole-time member of SEBI, to find out the rationale behind this rule.
It takes 90 days for an account to be classified as an NPA. And even after it is classified as an NPA, the world does not necessarily know. One of the reasons why you find that some banks were lending to debt cases already because of the lack of information. We thought actually, why 90 days? If there is a default, come and declare. One of the main principles on which SEBI regulates is the disclosure requirements. That's a great weapon. Not a weapon in a wrong sense. It forces people to actually do the right things. And when you have to declare that you are defaulted on a debt today, either in payment of installment or interest or whatever, then it's a huge thing.